If you want to know how to fix a Snapchat login temporarily disabled problem, you've come to the right place. So as you can see, now I have this Snapchat, everything is working, but what if we have this problem? I fixed it a few minutes ago. So firstly, we need to open App Store or Google Play, depends on your mobile device. And then from this page here, just simply search for Snapchat. So after that, we need to open the profile of this game inside of this app. And basically, if you have the option to update, make sure that you have the latest version, so upgrade the Snapchat to the latest version possible. So after that, close it and then just go to settings right up here. On the iPhone, it looks like this. On the Android, it may look a little bit different. So after that, we need to scroll down to find the Snapchat app. And from this page here, just simply click. And make sure that all the settings are the same as I have. Location is turned on, microphone, camera, and background app refresh are turned on. So then we need to close it and scroll to the upside here, then go to general. Here we need to click on basically iPhone storage right up here. And in a few seconds, our storage will be uploaded. On the Android, you need to find it through your navigation system. As for the iPhone, it looks like this. So now it may take a little time until everything will be uploaded and we'll have the access to all the apps. So basically we need to wait until this process will finished. So it may take a little time. And when everything is done, we need to find the Snapchat icon here, click on it, and then just click on upload app. So when everything will be uploaded, you need to re-upload it. So basically click on the same app, on the same button here, and the app will be downloaded once more. And the last way, if nothing helped, we need to delete the Snapchat and then just try to re-upload it from App Store or Google Play. So this is the only one way of how can we fix Snapchat logging temporarily disabled problem. Like, comment, subscribe, goodbye.